everyone, and welcome back to HR Talks with Lish, a platform aiming to motivate, inspire and elevate HR interns, students, professionals and graduates, helping you to kickstart your careers. Join me on this journey to success as a HR professional finding her way within the industry and rising to the top. If you're new here, then welcome to the HR Talks with Lish community. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so please can you like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated every single time I post a video. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So today's video is a little bit different than all of my usual videos. I'm actually going to be showing you around my new apartment. So this is a new beginning for me. I moved out literally about a week ago, and I just feel like I'm just in a new space now. I'm in a new frame of mind now, and I just want to kind of elevate in so many different ways. And I felt like moving out from my parents' house and having my own space would help me within that journey. So I hope you like today's tour. As I said, it's a little different, so please let me know what you think below about my new place. But I just wanted to take you along with me on this journey because I've been away for a few weeks, and it's literally been because I've been trying to transition from my parents' house to my place. And also, as I said, I want a fresh new kind of feel to my YouTube channel this year. I want to bring you some amazing content. Next week we'll be seeing the first video in the next updated Unlocking HR series, where I talk about different areas within HR, which is something that was definitely specified by you from the polls that I did. So I hope you enjoy this video, and let's go and see my apartment. Hey guys, and welcome to my apartment. Come on in. So we're just going to start off with the kitchen. This is my lovely kitchen. As you can see, I've got the nice white tabletop surfaces. All of these drawers and cupboards and stuff are white as well at the bottom, which I really love. And then obviously we've got the nice grey finish as well on these top cupboards. So as you can see, I've got my little appliances over here. I've got my toaster, my kettle. I've also got space for tea, sugar and coffee over here, which is really nice. Then I've got my nice little electric hob going on here, which is really nice, clean finish. Also got some storage bits for my rice and my pasta as well, which I got from Home Bargains, which is nice. All of these things over here are actually from IKEA. So I've got the drying rack from IKEA, all of my plates and my pots and pans are from IKEA. Utensils as well are from IKEA, and the storage bits for those too. And then I've just got a block of knives over there that was from Argos. Then over here, as you can see, this is where I just wash my dishes and everything like that. Got a little caddy to put all of my cloths and stuff in, which was also from Home Bargains, I think. And then I've got my microwave, which was from Argos. Then quickly just go into the cupboards for you. So I've actually sorted out all of the things within my cupboards in little storage boxes, and I got these from Home Bargains, and I just thought it was nice to do it like that. And then these baskets as well, I've just got some water and also some other stuff in here, which is just stored. I didn't really want to put anything on there and it was showing, so I just decided to put them in baskets and stuff. This is where I keep my plates and my cups and everything, so that's all in there. I've also got a little tea and coffee stuff there, a few oats in there as well, so that's nice. So we've got my washing machine down here in the cupboards area. It's actually, I thought this was storage, but opened it up, it's a washing machine. So yeah, that's that. And then I've got some utensils in this drawer here. All of these things were from IKEA as well. So this is my oven, and I've just got my little tea towels and stuff over on my oven there. Really nice glossy black finish on that too. Then in here, because I don't have space in here or here, I had to put my pots and pans under the sink. So that's where they're stored. But there's quite a bit of storage in there, so that's good as well. And in here, we have my dishwasher as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this that much because it's just me, but if I need it, then I'll use it. And over there, this is my fridge, which I haven't actually spoken about yet. Can't open it. So this is my fridge. I actually did do a shop today, so not too bad to be honest. And I've even got a little storage bit up here, so I've just put the bread there. And then obviously there's just the freezer here as well. So a lot of space for someone who's living on their own, which I'm happy about. And then this is my little dining area. So as you can see, I've got my little fruit bowl there. Nice glass table. I actually have more chairs than this as well, but I just thought having the two was all right. And this is my kitchen. So this is my living area, and this sofa actually came with the apartment, but it's actually a nice two-seater sofa, quite a lot of space, very comfortable as well. These cushions I got myself. I can't remember where I got them from, but these were originally on my bed. Thought I'd put them on the sofa just to add a little bit of something to it. We've got a glass table, which was with the apartment as well. That's my MacBook there, and that is Karis's phone. She's recording this right now. And then we've also got a nice little rug here as well. This was also with the apartment too. So to be fair, I got quite a lot because this apartment did come furnished, and it is just really nice. Everything's just slick, which is good. This also came with the apartment too, so this is just like my little TV stand. As you can see, I've got my YouTube channel up on my TV, HR Talks with Lish. If you're not subscribing, then please subscribe right now. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so get subscribing. And then I've also put like some little bits across each side of the TV as well. I've got a couple fake plants because I'm not too good with real plants. So I put them there, and I've got a nice candle burning as well, which is really, really nice. We've also got some storage in the TV stand. So in here I've just got a little first aid kit and some games. If anyone comes over, I can play a few games, which is nice. And then in this one I have some books in there. So really good storage space, this unit. And then in this little unit here, we've got like just manuals and stuff like that from all the different appliances and everything I've got in the house. So really good storage space in here. And this is a rug that I bought from mine. I think I got it from Amazon, but yeah, I just thought I'd just add it here because it just fit perfectly in this space. So now let's go into my bedroom and take a look. So this is my bedroom. So the bed actually came with a place as well, but this bedding is obviously mine, and like my blankets and stuff. These teddies go everywhere with me, so they're here as well. I actually got this dressing table from IKEA. It's such a nice dressing table, to be honest. I've got all of like my little accessories and stuff on each side, so like my perfumes, and then like my makeup as well is there. There's also a few things in the drawer too, which is nice, just like tissues, bit more makeup, headscarf, gel. So that's really nice. This chair came with the apartment as well, but this, I got this from the range. This was actually a gift from my nan, so that's really nice. So this is my wardrobe, and it's actually really, really big. There's so much space here. As you can see, I've got a really long mirror, which I absolutely love. So as you can see, inside my wardrobe, we've got like my coats and stuff, and I've got like my jumpers on this side, a few things going on here. I actually put these in the wardrobe because they were actually out here, but I thought it just made sense to put them in there and just use it as storage. And I also got like a nice deep like shelf up the top, so I've kept like my bags and stuff up here. I'll just show you the next side as well, because I've kind of like separated everything. So coats that side, jumpers in the middle, and then on this side is like my work clothes and stuff. So that's all there. And then I've got like stuff in the drawers too as well, like tops, jeans and stuff. So it's a really nice space, and there's just so much space for stuff. So I'm really happy with this, and I feel like this was like one of the selling points when I did come and view this place, because I just really like the space. So over here is like my workspace area. So as you can see, I've got my desk. I actually bought this myself quite a while ago from Argos, and this is my chair as well. I actually don't know where that came from. I've had it for so long. This monitor is actually from Curry's, and it's really good for when I'm working from home because I love to have two screens. So I just made sure that I had to purchase that. And then I've got like a little stand as well to put it on, so it's a bit elevated because I didn't really like it just being flat on the table. This is my ring light, which I use all the time when I'm filming my videos. And I've got these little plants here, so they're on either side, from IKEA. So it's just adding a little bit of a element to this kind of area. And I've got some plants here, but like one of them is like, I don't know if it's dead or if it's just because it's winter and the leaves fell off, but yeah, there's no leaves on it at the moment. But yeah, this is like where I put like all my little plants that I have, and then I've got like another like aloe vera plant over here as well, which is nice. And I just put a few pictures of myself up here. So that's my office desk area. Then I've just got a laundry basket here to put all my clothes when they're dirty, and I've got a little trinket here on my bedside table, and I've just put my creams, a little plant on there, and my Bible, and a few books is down here as well, like magazines that I have as well. Right, so now that you see my bedroom, I'm actually going to take you to my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. So this is my bathroom. I've got a nice big massive mirror, which I absolutely love, and there's a lot of like the lighting in here is like really good as well, so that's nice. I've got a couple storage bits here where I just keep all of my bathroom stuff, so like my stuff for my hair and things like that, and then I've obviously got like the stuff for like washing my face, my mouthwash, etc. in there. So that's nice. And then over here I've just got my air freshener, and this is like my little kit that I carry around anywhere I go because I got Invisalign, so I need to make sure I carry my toothbrush everywhere. So here you've got the little storage holder for my toothbrush and toothpaste as well, and I've got a little pump here where my hand wash is, which is nice. I also got myself a little bin from IKEA. So all these things I'm showing is from IKEA. And this like toilet roll holder thing is from IKEA as well. Rugs from IKEA too. And this rug's from IKEA as well. And then this is my shower. So I absolutely love this shower. It's really big, a lot of space in there. And then I've got a heated towel rack as well, which is really, really nice. So this is my storage room. Let me just turn on the light. You can just quickly see this. There's not much to see here, but I've just kind of put my shoes and stuff here. And I've also got like all my cleaning products, like toilet roll and like kitchen towel and stuff in here. But it's a nice little storage area. And the boiler's in here as well. So yeah, it's just a lot of space, and I feel like I definitely needed this space. So glad that it came with the apartment. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my house tour. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.